Hello everybody, this is Nikita of Goparaju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, belonging to IT department, presenting our mini project based on IT tracking under the guidance of K. Prasanna Lakshmi Ma'am, Associate Professor, with my team Soundarya, Shruti and Divya. Abstract. In this age of World Wide Web, Internet plays a significant role in establishing and supporting business. When a business house launches a website in World Wide Web, it would be interested in knowing the number of active users accessing their website. The business would like to have IP address tracker to narrow down the fraudulent users. With IP address, the location of the users is also tracked, which gives the number of users accessing their website from particular location. The expansion of their business could be done by this information. The software components used are front-end is JSP and back-end is MySQL database. The hardware components used are 20 GB hard disk and 512 MB RAM. JChatbox is the website which we created to track the IP address. This is our home page. Here we have three fields: register, login and IP tracker admin. The first two fields are applicable only for the users who would like to access our JChatbox website. The third field is IP tracker admin, which is used by only the admin in order to control the JChatbox applications and to manage the IP tracking. So, a new user who would like to access our website has to get registered. In order to get registered, he must select the registration form. In the registration form, he must enter all the fields. Let me take an example and show you the process of registration. Submit. If a user is registered successfully, he would be given a message that you are registered successfully and please note down your key below. The key here is used by the user when he logs in from different IP address. Once he is done noting down the key, he next has to go to the login page. In the login page, we have two fields, name and password. In the name field, he has to enter the name with which he got registered. Since the user has logged in with the same IP address with which he got registered, he is directly taken to the JChatbox client application instead of asking for a key. So in the JChatbox client application, we have name and chat room fields. In the name field, he has to enter the name with which he is logged in. And in the chat room field, he has to select the chat room by which he would like to communicate with his friends. So let me select movies and then press enter. So a message would be seen immediately when he enters the chat room. Nikita has joined the chat room. In the same way, when other users who are connected to our website and are present in the movies chat room, the same message would be shown when they log in to the chat room. So a message field is present which helps the user to send messages. The message sent by one user could be seen by all the other users who are accessing this website under movies chat room. So once he is done chatting with his friends, he could log out of this chat room. If he is interested to chat with the friends in the other chat room, he could select Java chat room and then press enter. The same message would be seen in this chat room screen. So message field, he can enter the message and send. So when once he is done communicating with his friends, he can log out of this chat room. If he is done completely chatting with the friends in the chat rooms, he could log out of this page completely, which would take him to the login page again. So now let me show you what happens when the user gets registered with one IP address and logs in with different IP address. So let me take an example of Satya, a user who got registered with some IP address and logging in with different IP address. See, here he is asked to enter the given key. The key would be given to him at the time of registration. So since he has entered all the fields correctly, he would be taken to the JChatBox application. Logger. This is at the user side, and at the admin side, the admin has two tasks to handle. The first thing is to control the JChatBox application, and the other one is to control the IP tracking. So first he has to enter the name and password in order to know that he is an authorized admin. The users cannot access this page. Only the administrator could enter the name and password and then go to the next page. In the administrator page, we have home, manage chat app, users, hits and logout. Home would take us to the same page in which we are present. It's just like refreshing a page. And manage chat app. Manage chat app is useful for managing the JChatBox applications. Users and hits are used as a part of IP tracking. Users would give the record of all the users who have got registered to our website. Hits would give the IP address of the users and the number of times each user has visited our website. And in this hits we have a field of location which would give us the location like from which location from where he is accessing our website. So first we'll go to manage chat app. In the manage chat app, the admin has to enter the login and password of the JChatBox application. Submit. So he would be taken to the JChatBox application. Here we have manage chat room field. In the manage chat room field, the admin can select any of the chat rooms which he would like to modify. And then in open chat room, he can create the chat room by giving the name, subject and the user's limit. The user's limit is to specify that only that particular number of users are only applicable to access the website. The other users cannot enter that chat room. And moderators. Moderators are the persons who take care of the chat rooms. If there are many chat rooms present in our application, there must be moderators who should take care of the chat rooms. If a chat room, for example, if a chat room should have only 20 members, out of which some few members are not applicable to that chat room, then the moderator must control that chat room members by removing those members from that chat room and placing them in the appropriate chat rooms. The moderators are selected by the administrator. Backup chat rooms. Backup chat rooms is used by the admin in order to create a backup of any chat rooms which he want to modify. Manage JChatBox. Manage JChatBox field gives all the information regarding the backup files, log folder, system login, system email, and timeout and the other things of JChatBox application. This is about JChatBox application from the admin side. And now let us go to the users field. In the users field, we will get the information of the users who got registered to our website. The name field gives the name of the user, email ID of the user, password of the user would be noted down in the database, and contact of the user's IP address is noted down by the database in the database, and key back. So hits just gives the count how many times each individual user has accessed our website. See, now Nikita has logged in with this IP address, and the count is first time because she is using the website for the first time. And view location field would take us to the location from where the user is accessing this page. The country name and the city name would be shown by this location hyperlink. See, country name and location, city. So the administrator can have a server at a particular location where the number of users of his website are more by help of this view location. Back. This is about our IP tracking website. IP tracking project. Thank you.